Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using CEX IO for trading or crypto investments but now decided it's time to move on, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to delete your CEX IO account in 2025. The correct way, whether you're switching platforms or simply want to close your account for security reasons, this guide will make sure you don't miss any important step. So stay tuned till the end. Understand what happens when you delete your account. Before jumping into deletion, it's important to know that deleting your CX.io account is permanent and irreversible. Once it's deleted, you'll lose access to your trading history, balances, and linked payment methods. So make sure this is exactly what you want to do. Withdraw any remaining funds, log into your CEX.io account, and check your wallet balance. If you have any crypto or fiat funds left, withdraw them first. Transfer your coins to your external wallet or another exchange. Withdraw to your linked bank account or payment method. This step is crucial because once the account is deleted, you won't be able to recover those funds. Clear pending orders and subscriptions. Cancel any active orders, recurring purchases, or subscriptions you may have set up. This will prevent any last-minute transactions during the deletion process. Contact CEX.io support. Unlike many platforms, CEX.io does not have a direct delete account button in the settings. To request deletion, go to the support center or help desk, create a new support ticket, or email them directly at their official support email. Clearly state that you want your account to be permanently deleted and include your registered email address. Sometimes they may ask for identity verification to ensure it's really you making the request. Wait for confirmation. After submitting the request, CEX.io's team will review your case. This usually takes a few days. They may ask you to confirm your identity one more time or answer security questions. Once confirmed, you'll receive an email stating that your account has been deleted. Secure your data and email. Finally, once your account is closed, delete any saved credentials, two-factor authentication keys, or API connections you had with CEX.io to ensure maximum security. And that's it. That's how you can delete your CEX.io account in 2025, safely and completely. Always remember to withdraw your funds and keep your data secure before requesting deletion. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.